This video covers the scheduling part of the application because in the first video scripts were launched manually by the DBA, and as part of managing SQL servers, DBA team needs to be able to gather data without human intervention. SSMS lets you take advantage of SQL Server Agent Service in order to retrieve data from remote SQL servers via a SQL job, which runs PowerShell script that connects to remote SQL Server instances and retrieve data and insert it in specific tables in a chosen user database. What SSMS and Visual Studio Code doesn't offer is a way to consume that data. You still need to write TSQL code to connect to tables and select the data you need. If SQL Server departments want to have more to say when it comes to this, they need to either buy third-party software or to build their own software. I looked to the other third-party software, and to some extent SQL Server teams can obtain similar results with a fraction of the costs. Because of this, I decided to implement the scheduling in DIMS, and although creating a timer which launched TSQL and PowerShell scripts is not complicated, the difficulty stays in the graphical user interface you need to create to allow user to input data, create schedules, store that data, load it when application launches, execute the code as per schedule, keep a track of executions results and their execution logs, allow users to easily retrieve data and consume it and chart it. For a company managing under few thousands of SQL Server instances, I believe DIMS and the scheduling feature with few tweaks can accommodate that workload without any problems. There are plenty of tools which relies on their ability to retrieve data from remote SQL servers either via SQL Server Agent jobs, either by hosting a service which pulls the data the same way I am doing. For example, Redgate Monitor, SolarWinds SQL Sentry, Idera SQL Diagnostic Manager are few of applications which does that. With the data collected, they provide different features, but the disadvantage in my opinion is that companies which manage SQL servers for other companies should never use these tools for other than production service. They should use an in-house created tool like DIMS, which in time with a lot of modifications and updates can achieve the reliability and the confidence for being used for production servers too.